Okay, so not gonna lie, this is a little creepy, but I'm doing just a reconnaissance mission here to see if this is traversable with just the knee-high waders that I have, and it seems so. I will be doing this in the future with a buddy, possibly my brother, so stay tuned. It does look like it's navigable with knee-high waders. I don't want to go any further because I'm starting to get like Blade 2 type of vibes here, but I'm reporting in and letting you know that my work is just beginning, okay? And I appreciate y'all sticking with me. Way more work to do. God bless, keep it sleuthing. I'll report back.